Hello everybody, Porch Light here. It's a beautiful day outside. Wind chimes going, sun is out, and I figured I haven't done a video in a while. And you say, well, Porch Light, why haven't you done a video? Well, I've been doing stuff, but I was able to pull out some of these sweet potatoes, and they still got some in the ground. It's been getting pretty cold outside, and I figured, hey, look, let's get them out before the frost. But I still got stuff planted around it, so I just got a nice conservative amount out, and I'm gonna stick with this for the next few days until it gets into that real frost. So they should be good underground over the next few week or two. Now I got a few potatoes kind of stuck in there because after I pulled the potatoes, I stuck the plants in, but didn't do too well. Now I gotta imagine I got at least twice this amount because I really wasn't trying to disturb too much. But when I go for the real harvest, we should have at least 2 to 3 times more than this, hopefully. But I'm pretty confident. And we got some good sizes, got some good colors. And the funny part about it is I don't think any of these are those, what do you call those? The kind of plants that, you know, they're just out for decoration more or less. The word escapes me right now. You know, put in the comments if you remember, but needless to say, I'm thinking that these are actual yams, purple yams. But if not, they should still be edible, but we'll find out. Let me give you a quick look at the yard, quick scan. Look at that. All right, so got a lot of things going on in the garden. I've been harvesting every day. This is definitely my best harvest year by far. But there's certain things we didn't get this year, a lot of this year, and it's okay. But we got cucumbers, tomatoes, more tomatoes than I've ever had. More sweet potatoes, more regular potatoes. Even got some more pumpkins coming up. And we're gonna have a whole slew of sunchokes. And we did real well with the okra this year and the peppers. So look, sorry I couldn't get that on tape, as we used to say back in the day, before we started using phones. But hey, either way, thank y'all for tuning in, the folks that still do. Sorry for the wait, and Porch Light out.